Well, here we are at the start of the Lulu's Trail. There's Christy and Julie. We're taking off, heading for the top, hopefully. Planning on taking the tram down. We're going to end up at the antenna up there, theoretically. And we'll check in from time to time. Nice little view of Albuquerque. It's a beautiful morning so far. Well, we're still working our way up Juan Tabo Canyon. It's pretty nice out. It's March 7th. I suppose it's about mid 40s when we're starting off here. Encountering a few switchbacks. Pretty gentle slope so far though.
I think we're going to say to ourselves,
that's a beautiful canyon. Well, here's the intersection of the tramway trail. It goes that way. And it's about a mile and a half back to the tram this way. So we've gone about a mile so far. This would be an alternative route from the bottom of the tram to come up this trail and meet up with the Lulu's right here. But we're going to go up the canyon still further straight ahead. Starting to see a little snow up there. Still a nice gentle grade though, some easy switchbacks. It's been a piece of cake so far. We're a couple miles into it, I suppose. Real nice though. Well, we're getting a little higher. We've got some long switchbacks here. Still a pretty gentle grade though. It's been pretty easy hiking. We're kind of along the stream bed. No running water. A little bit of snow. We're still chugging along here. Seeing some ponderosas. And there's a milepost here. Every once in a while they have a post here. This one I believe says 2.9, which is how far we've come from the trailhead. There's the 2.9. A little bit of snow. Not too bad though. I think that's that nose over that way. Well, let's see, we left at about 8:20. We got up to the 3-mile marker about 10 to 10. And we've been kind of fooling around, taking pictures and stuff and videos, obviously. Here's a little resting spot, looks like. I think they call that the nose. Been doing some gentle switchbacks. There's Albuquerque. Little scree field here. Some big boulders been tumbling down. There's Albuquerque. Well, we're still plugging along here. Came to a milepost here. It looks like it says 4.6 that we've gone. There's the 4.6. There's something that goes this way, but I believe that's just a little overlook. I think we gotta go this way. Here's Julie.
Hi.
Well, I'm finally at the base of this tooth or nose or whatever they call the thing. I'll have to look at it later and see what it is. Got a little snow on the trail now. Well, we're in the woods. It's a little snowy, a little windy. We came to a sign here. It says Sandia crest 2.2, upper tram 2.8, which is where we're headed. Lower parking 5, lower tram 6.7. So we've come 5 miles. And that's what, 11:30?
Yes, 11:30.
So that's the timeline. We're starting into the series of I think 15 or more switchbacks now. Well, we're still doing switchbacks. I think we're on about number 4 here. It's kind of hard to keep track of them. Snow's nice and soft though, it's not icy. Well, I must say the views are spectacular up here. There's some jagged peaks. We're still in switchbacks. It's all snow so far. We got a ways to go up there. I don't know exactly where this goes, but we'll find out. Okay, well, we're working our way up the switchbacks. We're in snow.
I thought we left the snow behind us.
Yeah, we left Minnesota to get away from the cold and snow, so what do? Come and find some more. Oh well, it's still pretty nice.
Very nice.
It's really beautiful up here. We've been making switchbacks up this talus slope. You can see the trail down there. We're kind of at the base of this thumb. Now I've been calling it a number of things, the nose and the tooth, but I believe it's called the thumb after reading some notes I have. So that's where we are. Well, we're still making switchbacks. Here's the thumb. I believe this is La Cueva Canyon. We're getting closer to the top. I guess this set of switchbacks gains what, 900 feet in a mile and a half? So we should be at about almost 10,000 feet by the time we get through with these switchbacks. Crest house. Well, here's the split to the crest house for the tram. We came up from this way, and the crest house is that way, and the tram is 1 mile this way. Nice view here.
Yeah, this is pretty.
That's looking south towards the Manzanos. Albuquerque obviously down below. The trail is pretty level so far. We've only gone a little ways though. Well, there's the tram. Or the top of the tram, I should say. That's where we're headed. Got about a half mile to go. You can see the lines of sediment, I believe, in the rocks up here. Last year we did a hike up in Canyon over to that peak over there, which is South Sandia Peak, which was another nice hike. That was fun. La Luz is a little more scenic, I think, and a little easier. That must be the top of the crest up where that little house is. You can see the trail coming along over there. And we're still plugging away here. It's a little loose. Snow is here. Not bad though. Tram's coming in for a docking. There's the top of the tram. Look at the snow squalls. It's pretty. And that's South Sandia Peak. It is beautiful. Well, we made it.
Yay!
To the top of the tram.
That's good.
Just in the nick of time for the snow. Here's the restaurant. I used to work up here when I was in high school in about 1973 or 4. Quite a while ago. Well, we made it to the high finance for the celebratory beer.
Good.